Now this illustration deals with a Class 4 fault managed power systems. It's a new article, 726, and that's what the code panel main purpose of change was to accept this new article. And remember, Class 1 circuits is Article 724. Class 2 and 3 is Article 725. And of course, Class 4 circuits is Article 726 that we're looking at now. Now you see a simple diagram here of a Class 4 circuit and some of the items involved, the load devices, the standalone receiver and so forth that would be there. Just a basic diagram. But of course, it's a summary of the fault protection for GFCI, AFCI, and amps, including protection from shock and fire and that kind of thing. And this new article deals with that. But that's the main purpose of this article, is to provide information to the user when they're dealing with a Class 4 type circuit, and they do not get mixed up with Class 1, 2, or 3. They know that they're dealing with Article 726 when they're dealing with a classification system using Class 4 circuitry.